Meaning of George Eastman.
George Eastman.
George Eastman.
George Eastman.
George Eastman. George Eastman was an American inventor and entrepreneur who founded the Eastman Kodak Company and popularized photography through innovations in film and cameras. He was born on July 12, 1854, and died on March 14, 1932. Eastman's contribution to photography is immense. He developed a roll film that replaced glass plates for capturing images, which made photography more accessible and portable. Additionally, he introduced the first simple camera accessible to everyone, leading to the democratization of photography. Eastman's impact on popular culture and technology continues to be felt to this day.